Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be a Boxycharm unboxing slash try on. You guys requested it in my giveaway questions. I asked you guys what you want to see on my channel, and unboxings and hauls and all that were number one on the list. I've been keeping track. The giveaway is still live, so hit that little eye somewhere up here on the screen. Go to that video, enter if you have not already. And I am really loving and appreciating all of your guys' feedback, in which I am going to be able to bring you guys a lot of great new content. So this is the March box from Boxycharm. It is called Vacation, and here is what I got. Let's jump right into it. They do send you little coupon or discount codes sometimes with the boxes. This one is for Better London, 25% off when you spend $50. And then of course here is the little slip that it comes with that says vacation, everything to tag them, a giveaway, everything like that. And the pricing list and everything about all of the products in which you receive inside of your box. Let's go ahead and jump into the Boxycharm. So first things first, I am going to start with this little item here. So the first item is the South Main Beauty Under Eye Gels. You get 3 inside of this pack, and the retail value is $10. So it says you are supposed to thoroughly cleanse the eye area, apply this product under the eye, leave on for 30 minutes. It reduces puffiness, dark circles, and then use consecutively for 3 days. Let's go ahead and apply it. There is a lot of liquid that is on here. Oh man. Oh. I look ridiculous, but this feels really nice. It feels very cooling, and it is staying on my face really nicely. Those ones that where they just plop on the face and then it just starts to slide off, those are the ones in which I hate, because then you just have to lay back the entire time. And 30 minutes of just laying back, I mean, come on, we got stuff to do. We're gonna apply the rest of the stuff. Dipping back into the box, I know the next product I want to show you guys, which is this beautiful one right here. It came really nicely wrapped. This month's palette is the collaboration Boxycharm did with Pure Cosmetics. This palette looks absolutely gorgeous. Let me remove the little cover. This one, they say retails for $36. You do get 12 shades in here. It's a mix of mattes, shimmers, and metallics. And here we have the swatches of all of the eyeshadows that come inside of the Pure Boxycharm collaboration palette. Before I had gotten started, I already primed my eyelids with the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in Eden. I just didn't set it yet because I wanted to use this shade right here, which is called Perfect. It is a nice cream color, which will do really well to set everything. Next, I'm going to dip into the shade right here called Naked. Ooh, that's powdered. I'm going to apply this as a transition shade using my Morphe Y16 brush. Oh, it's super pigmented. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry, I forgot to zoom you in. Next, I'm going to be dipping into the shade Belle using my Morphe Y15 brush, and I'm just going to be placing it slightly below where we put Naked. Just want to build up some more color. Next, I'm going to be taking this beautiful purple or magenta shade called BFF on my Morphe Y18 brush, and I'm going to be packing this all over the lid. Taking my Makeup Geek Defined Crease Brush and running it along the edges to try to merge the shadows together. What I want to do now is take this shade right here called ATL using just my fingertip. And I'm just going to apply it very low on the lid, try to give it a little bit more depth down here. I felt like it wasn't as vibrant as I wanted it, so I'm just going to help it out a little bit. I'm just taking a little bit more of BFF on my Defined Crease Brush and kind of running that along the edges between the shimmery shade and the BFF shade. I feel like I lost a little bit of its punch. Oh my goodness, I am so sorry. I forgot about one extra thing that came inside of the Boxycharm box, in which I was gonna use with the eyeshadow. That was the Vintage Cosmetics Company Smoky Eye Makeup Brush Set. This one retails for $23.15. Here you do get 3 brushes. I'm kind of wondering if this brush, the Step 1 brush, is going to help amp up BFF. So I'm just going to try to apply a little bit more in the crease. So the Step 1 brush definitely helped to apply BFF a lot better. Let's reapply a little bit more of ATL. Whoo, the fallout is real. And I'm gonna try Step 2 and just blend out the edges a little bit. These are really soft brushes and they are full size, so a huge benefit. I am not the biggest fan of the trial size ones. They've put in a few different trial size brushes and I prefer the ones with a longer handle. I just don't like the teeny tiny brushes. Next, I just want to kind of test out Step 3 brush and I'm going to dip into Duet. And I'm just going to put it on the upper lash line, kind of just like I'm using a eyeliner. But I'm just going to be using this very dark shade. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to take off the gel packs. I'm going to finish up the rest of the face and I'm going to come back and show you guys the last 2 items. So I'll be back in just a second. I have now completed the rest of my face. If you have any questions about what I put on my face, I am going to be leaving everything in the description box down below. I thought to save some time, I'm not going to go over everything. I'm just going to leave it listed and you guys can check it out if you are interested. But in order to finish up the under eyes, I went ahead and repeated the same steps. I took a mix of Nikki and Belle and I applied that all the way across my lower lash line. Then going in with BFF, applying that a little bit tighter to the lower lash line. I didn't actually apply any liner because I wanted Duet to be kind of like my liner today. I applied it very tight to the lower lash line and the upper lash line to kind of mimic a liner. And I did that using the Step 3 brush and I really enjoyed it. Also, what I did was I just spur of the moment took the shade Charmer and I applied that on my cheekbones and I think it looks really pretty as a highlight also. I was thinking it was going to be a little bit too like bronzy, but it actually turns out to be a lot more champagne colored. So I now want to take that same shade Charmer using my pencil brush by Makeup Geek and apply that to the inner corners as well. Now that shade packs a serious punch. But let's get back to the box. We have 2 more items in here. One item we're going to use to finish up the face. We'll get to that in a second. For blush, I received the Pretty Vulgar Make Them Blush, retailing for $26. I got the shade Prim Vixen. And check out this packaging. It is so cute. Here's what Prim Vixen looks like swatched out. It is very pigmented. It does look like it blends out really nicely too. Personally, this is not my shade of blush. This is way too hot pink, but in the name of testing things out, I am going to be applying it using my Real Techniques blush brush, the 300 brush. I'm just going to lightly tap into it the tiniest bit. Really picks up though. I'm scared. And here's what very light hand of Prim Vixen looks like. Now, last item in the box, we can finally complete the eyes. I received the Butter London Double Decker Lashes Mascara. This one retails for $20. This one also claims it's going to give you 200% thicker lashes and 314% increase in lash curl. So those are some high claims on this mascara here. It is pretty packaging as well. Now let's start applying. Hopefully my camera is able to pick it up, but here's one eye with mascara, here's one eye without it, and it definitely does give it quite a bit of length and really curls it. Not bad. Wow, that mascara went on so nice. It really lengthened my lashes. So long as this does not wear off throughout the day or like crumble below or smear or anything like that, this could honestly be my new favorite mascara. This definitely outdoes the ones that I have right now. It's not clumpy. Like, this is one I feel like I would actually pay the full price for. Usually I tend to stick for drugstore mascaras, but this one, really nice. So let's go over all of the products really quickly. You guys just heard me talk about this mascara. This is really great mascara. I am really enjoying this one. I will 100% let you guys know how it wears throughout the days. I'm going to leave that in the description box as well, so check that out if you want to know if this one flaked off during the day or smudged or anything like that, but I am loving it. Then we had the blush. Now this is definitely not my color. I am not going to see myself using this a lot. I would have so much preferred getting the other blush that was a little bit more corally toned. That one looked really beautiful. I will say though that this was super pigmented and it was able to blend out really easily, so it is a good blush, just not the right shade for myself and my skin tone. Now the brushes I did completely forget to use in the beginning, but I really enjoy these as well. They are very soft, they are fluffy and easy to blend out with. The Step 1 brush definitely helped in picking up the shade BFF, which I was really struggling with my normal brushes. So I feel like this one, with the texture and the bristles that it has, I think it pairs beautifully with the palette they chose. And I am definitely a fan of this brush set. These South Main gel packs, these were actually really cool. I have not tried a gel pack before, and I love it when skincare is included, especially some masks like this. And sheet masks and gel masks are one of my favorites. I feel like it's so easy to just pop one on and then just kind of throw it away. There's no mess of like having a full-on like mask you gotta wash off. It's just kind of quick and easy. These felt really nice. They tingled underneath the eyes and they felt very cooling. And my under eyes felt really hydrated afterwards. It felt really nice. And I'm gonna use the other two consecutively. I'm gonna use one tomorrow and the day after, and I'll probably update you guys in the description box after that as well, or on Instagram, so make sure you are following me on my Instagram. And last but not least, we have the Pure palette. Now my only thing about this really white packaging is it is gonna get dirty really fast. I'm already getting tons of smudge marks all around it. However, the shades in here are really beautiful. The only one I'm really kind of let down by is the shade BFF. I thought it was going to pack a lot more of a punch than it did. I felt like it didn't perform as well as I had hoped for. I was just kind of let down by it. The other shades were really beautiful. They were really pigmented, and the metallic shades feel so soft. They are absolutely incredible. Another thing is that this is a very powdery palette. Like, it was raining all across when I was dipping into the matte shades. And as you guys saw when I had the little gel packs on and I was applying the eyeshadows, it was completely like falling. So 100% do your eyeshadow before you do the rest of your face, because you are gonna have to go in and wipe it away, or else you're gonna have kind of like a hot mess. But overall, my opinions on this box is really positive. I have to say this is one of my favorite boxes in a really long time from them. I honestly did not hate any single one of the products, except from, of course, the blush because of the shade, but even then, the products in which we received in this month's box, I felt like were absolutely incredible, and I still have no idea how they are able to do it with the value in which you're getting, because this month's box, everything totaled up is $115.15, and all you pay is monthly $21. I'd say that's a pretty gosh darn good deal. So I'm so happy that I got this month's box, and I really hope that you guys enjoy this video. If you guys like this kind of try-on style, or you want to see it more unboxing, let me know down in the comments below. But also, if you like this video, please hit that like button, leave me a comment down below, subscribe to my channel if you have not already. I post 2 beauty-related videos twice a week, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!